everyone, Amanda Tento from TDM Marketing, and I'm going to walk you through an inside view of the Law of Attraction Planner from Freedom Mastery. This is my favorite planner. I have used it, I think this is my 6th year in a row that I've used it, minus last year because I bought a different one and I hated it and I lost it. And anyway, that's a whole nother story, but I want to show you inside of it because there's really not anywhere online that I have found that allows you to see exactly what it looks like inside. So the version that I'm going to show you today is the September 2022 to December 2023 edition. It's weekly and monthly, and it is 16 months. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the box. And I have already used it and already done a few things to it, like add the little month tabs that they give you. So they give you stickers when you open it up. They give you stickers that you can put tabs on all of the months. Because I got it in November, I decided not to add these 3 tabs because they've already passed. So I did not do that. They also give you a kind of a guide on how to use it. So you can see what this planner was created for, why I created the planner, how to prepare yourself for the life-changing journey, tips on better manifesting, and then the rest of it's pretty much how to use the planner. It's very, very detailed, very, very interesting. I love this planner. They also send you a ton of stickers. So the stickers are things like doctor's appointments, dentist, coffee, grocery shopping, reading. I pretty much never use these. I put them in the back and then I never use them. So something that's included for free. They give you a thank you and then a code for 10% off. And they also send you another thank you card. These are more stickers, just some different things that they send you, motivational stickers, gratitude stickers, shopping list, important ideas, delegation, motivational, and more motivational stickers. Very, very cool, very interesting. But for me, I don't use them. So when you open the first part of the planner, and I say planner, but it's really more like a journal, how it's made. It's bound. It's got gold foil on the edge of it. It's awesome. This is embossed and the cover is beautiful. I love it. And these are extremely durable. So if I were to show you all of my past ones, which I have here, you can see that they wear really well. So there's no, like it doesn't, like nothing, none of this comes off. It doesn't get scuffed easily. So it's very nice. The first page here is going to be a quote from Gandhi. And then there's different things that you can do in here. This one is my life statement, my mission statement. And then you can put your, this planner belongs to. If you find it, contact me. There's an index where you can actually index the pages of the planner, which is kind of cool. And then this is a roadmap on how to use the planner. This folds out questions to empower your day. So they go through all of these different questions, trying to give you motivation, focus, all of these things, which is very helpful. There's evening power questions, action steps to feel better and increase your emotional vibration. And these are for all energy levels. They have them broken down by self-care, giving back, entertainment, awareness and self-discovery, mission and vision statement. And I have not done these yet, but I did do them 2 years ago and they were really helpful. So the sample questions are, what would I want to experience in life if time and money were not an issue? How do I want to grow? What do I want to contribute to this world? Who am I? Why am I here? Where am I going? How do I want to be remembered when I'm gone? If I achieved all of my life's goals, how would I feel? How can I feel that way? How can I feel that along the way? What is most important in life? What do I value most? What am I most passionate about? What brings me the most joy and sense of peace in my life? What does a successful life look like for me? What do others most admire in me? What unique gift do I want to share with the world? What are my top 5 values? If you don't know, you can ask 5 people that know you well. and what are my top 10 achievements in life. So they go through how to do all of those things. There's a place to set 50 goals in your life, and then this kind of gives you some of the different areas of goals that you can pull from. Highlighting your 5 most important 1-year goals. This is another kind of goal setting tool here. Your journey, where you are now in this column, where you're going, how you're going to get there. And the categories are spiritual, personal development, relationship, career and business, financial, health, and free time and family. They also have the next 4 years, I guess this year, next year, and then the next 2 years, I should say, planned out here for you. And then when you open this, I'm going to try to give you the whole view, but it gets a little large. So this, you're going to actually put down how you make these things happen. So what are the steps to make it happen? What I want specifically by when and why I want it. So these all correlate along these lines, the spiritual goals, so that kind of goes the whole way across. And then when you open this, there is room for you, if you wanted to, make a vision board here, or you can just fill this up with whatever you want. It says this page says I love my life. This page says I'm so grateful for. So this is where you would paste some magazine pictures, things like that. Before I end this, I will find the one that I did from a couple years ago that has all of that already filled out. So it's pretty cool. Creating your life statement. You can go right that. So this is really more than just a planner. So I want to make sure that you understand that you're not going to just open it and just go to your monthly planner or whatever. It's way more than that. Strategy, skills, habits, and people. So there's skills I want to master to achieve my goals, habits I want to change, who am I surrounded by, who will keep me accountable, and what can I delegate. Creating a new supportive story. There's a space here to chunk your bigger goals into smaller goals. They're breaking it down by 3 years, 1 year, and 3 months. And basically mapping out your daily action plan here. Now we're going to get into what it looks like in a month. And so you can see that it has a really nice, easy to read layout for the month. This is September. There is a place up here where you can write a goal. So it says goal for September. And then right here is where you would write that. And then inside of this little tiny red box, you can write what reward that you would earn if you achieved that goal. There's a feel good intention box and a skills and habits to learn box. Down here, you have a space for 3 desired goals this month, why you want to reach those goals, and then the reward if you achieve those goals. Another thing that's pretty cool is they have action steps to take to reach these goals. So goal number 1, and then 5 action steps that you need to take in order to reach those goals. Same thing here. This kind of correlates right across here, and it gives you 5 spaces for action steps to take. This little section is just a note section. Their suggestions are ideas, gratitude, victories, notes, project flowchart, and mind map. So you can use that section. It's kind of like bullet journal with those little dots down there. I'm going to zoom in a little here and allow you to kind of get a closer look at this. So you can see the feel good intention. Down here you can see the desired goals this month, action steps to take, and then you have the ideas, gratitude, victories, etc. So we're going to go to the first page of the weekly layout. This is why I bought this planner initially. There are no planners on the market that go from 5 a.m. until 10 p.m. except for this one. This is where it starts, 5 a.m., and it goes all the way up to 10 p.m. in half-hour increments. I like to get up early, and I like to start my day early. I like to time block. I like to use colors in here. I like to use colored pens. I like to make it look kind of like my Google Calendar does, actually. But I like to make it look really nice and make it really easy for me to visually read what I need to do this week. So again, goal of the week, reward if achieved. This is a priority list. So you have top priorities at the top, middle priorities, and then these are things that you can delegate down here. There's a motivational quote here. There's a to-do list with top priorities and regular priorities, a positive habit maker. And you can actually fill in this positive habit maker here with whatever you'd like. There is gratitude, love, meditate, and exercise already filled in. And so I'm going to try to zoom this in here. Hopefully it will adjust. Come on. Okay, well, you can see that there are some blank spaces here where you can fill in any types of habits that you want, and you can just make little check marks all the way across, track your habits, and we'll go into where you can track those ultimately at the end of the month. But right here, there's a little water thing. So there's 8 glasses of water that you can fill in if you've drank all of your water for that day. Up here, they have a today's goal, a gift, and then 3 priorities. So you can put your top 3 priorities here. And again, it goes from 5 to 10 o'clock. And this is Sunday through Saturday layout, which is great for me as well because I'm a very synesthetic person, and in my mind, this is how I see the calendar. So it helps me as well to be able to, just look at this and say, okay, I know which days are which in my head. Another little note section down here. It's a little smaller for the weekly view, but it is nice. And then once we get to the end of the month, this is another reason why I love this. There's actually a place for reflection. So you can celebrate your top 10 achievements. And then here you can use this to kind of fill in, and I'm going to use a pencil here, like how you did on your goal. So was I in harmony with my career? Yeah, I did pretty good. I'm going to make that a 7 out of 10. Right? And so then you can just shade that in. And each month you're going to be able to, at a glance, see how you did with each, section of your planner or section of your goals that you've made in the beginning. I would personally color code these because I color code everything. That's how I do. And then it has a little box here that says hours of exercise, total expenses, money saved, self-help, time spent with family, fun time, meditation and prayer, new habit, mentors, gratitude, visualization, feeling good. Then what did I learn? Distractions, mental blocks, fears. How did I make myself feel good? What did not happen and why? People I learned from and who inspired me. What actions can I take to improve? And then on the right-hand side, we have what are the greatest insights that I've gained over the past month? How do I feel about my progress this month? How did I stay in the flow of allowing and enjoying the journey regardless of the outcome? What obstacles or fears did I encounter inside myself? What did I learn from watching my emotional vibration daily? I'm not going to go through all the questions because there's a lot there. And then at the end of each month, there are 2 pages of notes. Then we go into the next month. So again, they give you these little tabs that you can put on. I'm not super duper happy with them because they don't seem to want to stick to themselves. So you can see I keep having to, like here's July. July is sticking open and it's driving me nuts. So not super happy with the quality of these little stickers. February is sticking open. Not happy about that, but it's a very, very amazing planner. I wouldn't really want any other, excuse me. There are ribbons that you can put in to hold your places in your pages. There is in the back a pen tab holder. So you can put your pen or pencil here. And there's another bookmark. So you can actually use that to bookmark pages. This is a little pocket. This is where I put all of this sticker stuff that I'll probably never look at again until next year. So if you like stickers, great. If you don't, put them back there or throw them away. There's also a map of Canada, a map of Europe, and a map of the world. So this gives you a place where you can put the top 20 places that you'd like to visit. So if you're looking to travel, that's in there. And then there is a lot of note paper, a lot of extra bullet point journal type note paper in the back. So that is the entire journal. And also, I forgot to show you they also have the same reflection for your entire year. So once you get through this whole journal, once you get through this whole planner, see, these little tabs just drive me nuts. Once you get through the whole planner, you can come to the back here and kind of go through what happened this year, anything like that. I love using it. I use this to keep track of like passwords and finances and things like that in the back because there's so many pages. It's really amazing. I'm gonna go grab one of my old planners and see if I have the notes in there. Give me 1 second. So when I say I've been using this planner for many years, these are some of my old versions of this planner. I think the black one here is my very first one. You can see my infant daughter's scribble marks in. And you can see, I don't know if I did one of these, I know that I did not this one. But you can see they're very durable. I mean, it looks pretty much new, minus the dust and things on it. But I absolutely love these planners. They last so long. They look so good. This is 2021. And I kind of stopped using it in the middle of the year because I kind of got distracted. But if you use it the whole year, it's amazing. Let's see. Pick a different one. Let's see. Here we go. So I did actually do the vision board one year, and this is probably, I'm going to guess, 2020. Let's see. Does it say what year it is? Yep, this is 2020 when we all had amazing goals and things at the beginning of the year. So this is when I did my vision board. And you can see, very interesting, very cool. You can just tape things in there just like you would a regular vision board. So that was fun. And I did fill out all of the information at the front as well. And you can still see kids' scribbles in here because that's what kids do. And again, you can tell that I just fell off in May or March or something. Yeah, so this is how I used to do it. I would time block, and don't mind my horrible handwriting because it is horrible. But I would, time block the same way that I do on my Google Calendar and just use different coding and things for different information. And it really, really helps to visually and quickly see what's in there. So you can see, this one I used a lot. You can see time blocking. I think it's really helpful. I also have, and this is something that you may or may not want to invest in, these little templates that are very handy. Little, not templates, I guess they're little stencils. So these I bought when I bought my first one, and I absolutely love them. And one of these, I think it was this one that I used the most to kind of outline the time blocks. So that's very helpful. And then just some colored gel pens. But I hope that this gives you a great inside view of the Law of Attraction Planner and what it can do for you and how it might be able to help you to change, your habits and also reach the goals that you have for yourself in your life and your business. So please feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and I will put the link to purchase in the recording and in the show notes. Thank you.